Hey, 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 here we are back at it again. 12 by 12 layout of my honey bunny. And, this was you'll have to excuse me, I actually recorded, this with the intention of just putting it on YouTube like I do sometimes, but I wasn't comfortable with the length of it, and so you'll see me like talking to you with my hands. Anyway, I see other YouTubers do it all the time, and I'm like, yeah, she decided to do a voiceover. But anyway, so this will be my first one, I think. Anyway, so this is my husband. Well, first off, this is a 12 by 12 layout, and this is strictly all stash, nothing new. This is all goodies from my piles and piles of paper that we all have. I just went through my stacks of 6x6 paper pads, and I literally flipped, grabbed. I think I have like 4 pieces here. So the big picture is my husband. His eyes are supposed to be crossed. I'm sorry, the picture is completely dirty with my little fingerprints all over it. And the little picture I showed you over there is the box of candy, chocolate covered cherry liqueurs I bought him. I had them specially ordered from Germany because I just simply could not find any locally. And I wanted to surprise him for his birthday one year. So I ordered them, and I don't think I'll ever do it again, strictly because the shipping costs more than the candy did. But we do have a German shop now, so this was, well, 3 years ago. So, nonetheless, I had called him that day, or texted him, because I don't call anybody ever. If I call you, it's an emergency, okay? Because I literally stay on the phone Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., because that's my job. So, anyway, I texted him, and I was like, look, your birthday present is going to arrive today. Go ahead and open it when it arrives, and, enjoy. So then he messages me back a little bit later, or maybe I had messaged him anyway. This was years ago, so you already know I can't remember it. And he says, I say, well, how were they or whatever? And this is the picture I got back, cross-eyed and an empty box of chocolates. As if to say he was drunk, which he wasn't. He was just joking, but I was like, yeah, okay, yeah, no, I didn't want to try them, thanks, cool, but anyway, it was his birthday present, so that's what matters. I really didn't want to try them, so anyway, that's my lovey bug. So here I'm just figuring out how I want to layer this little picture, where it should go, because I don't do a major title. That wood veneer there is pretty much my title, Enjoy Life, because, if you can't eat a box of doggone chocolates on your birthday, what kind of life do you have? Eat that chocolate, or, whatever your thing is, eat that bag of popcorn, whatever it is. But I just layer a plunk, a stick, move it around, plunk it again, stick it a little more. I keep most of my stickers and whatnot, especially these pieces I want to use up. I keep them in I don't know if you've ever gone to Walmart, but down the plastic aisle they have these, what they call shoe containers, shoe bins. And I guess they're meant for if you want to store your shoes in them, obviously, but it's for like one pair. And I've got a bunch of those, and I've actually dwindled them down to, I had 6. Okay, I'm looking up at them, and I've dwindled them down to 5. So, while that doesn't seem like I've done a whole lot, it is an accomplishment. So, I just kind of flipped through there, and because I didn't plan on doing a voiceover, you're not gonna see, like, I held the stickers up, you're not gonna see them very well, because I didn't plan on you needing to see them, but anyway. I go about, yeah, I had to move that star because it was, I really wanted that paperclip thing there, and I'm looking at it, I'm thinking I put it the wrong way now, but it's too late, it's already in the album, packed away, because I had to pack it away because he's asleep over here. That was another reason he was snoring horribly, and I realized you probably could hear him over me, so, but I had to pack that away before he saw it, or he would have given me the what for in the morning. He always fusses at me about doing silly pictures. He doesn't like me doing silly pictures of him. And I'm like, that's what we do. We can't do gorgeous family photos all the time. I mean, come on, who does that? Anyway, these little metal, these were one of the very first embellishments I ever bought back at Michael's, I believe. And this is going to be the first sheet I actually get rid of. Let's say, what, 6 years ago I bought them? And I finally got rid of one sheet, but hey, I got rid of one, so. Yeah, I think I put, yeah, one of these word stickers down at the bottom, and I do end up doing a cluster up at the top because I'm not gonna lie, that's just kind of my go-to. I do the main picture in the middle, and then I do a cluster at the top and the bottom, and I really like that, so that's what I kind of gravitate towards, because I had no intentions of doing that when I started this layout, but in the end, that's what ends up happening. Before I even knew it, that's what happened, so. And there's nothing wrong with that, you know, it's what I like, and to be honest with you, I'm about the only one that looks at the albums, so hey, that's all that matters. So, and I did realize that washi tape at the top says Enjoy Life, and the title says Enjoy Life, but I feel like the one at the top is thin enough that it doesn't clash with the title, so I kept it. And by this point I was panicking because I had looked at the time and I was like, oh my gosh, I already knew that if I was looking for a video to watch, I wouldn't be watching the one that was 18 minutes long, so I panicked. Anyway, so anyway, I finished the cluster up at the top, and that, oh, I add some more enamel dots. I believe they are not pink, gold and black. Not a whole lot, just a little bit to tie it all in though. That's about it though. So if you stayed, I appreciate you for watching, and I hope you check out my Facebook page and Twitter and Instagram, and I'll catch you next time. Hope you have a great weekend. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hey, 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 here we are back at it again. 12 by 12 layout of my honey bunny, and